The ultimate Earn Robux Club free Robux site reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for free Robux, most people get this wrong by trusting scams or generators that steal account information. The surprising truth about Earnrobux Club is that it offers structured, verified ways to earn Robux safely through surveys, tasks and promotions, but only if you follow the guidelines carefully. First, sign up with your Roblox username. You won't believe how simple it is. No password is required, just verification through email or task completion. This keeps your account secure. Next, complete tasks accurately. Most people get this wrong by rushing. Earnrobux Club rewards you with points for watching videos, completing surveys, or installing apps. Following instructions step by step ensures points are credited properly. Check for bonuses and promotions. The surprising truth is that consistent activity often unlocks extra points or Robux multipliers. Daily login streaks and special campaigns increase your earnings significantly. Finally, redeem Robux. You won't believe how smooth the process is once your points reach the required threshold. Always double-check your Roblox username to avoid sending Robux to the wrong account. In conclusion, Earnrobux Club can take you from 0 to pro in earning free Robux safely. By signing up securely, completing tasks carefully, tracking bonuses, and redeeming points correctly, you'll maximize rewards without risking your account. Consistency and attention to detail are key to success.